the forest with my birdie and my pencil and my bear. Hello, bear. And we're dancing away.
Okay. All right, there's no sign of the bear. Oof.
Yeah, see you. Maybe she didn't like our Funky Bird song mashup. Ooh, I bet she's more of a classical gal.
I don't know what made that bear grumpy. And I don't want to hang around to find out.
You're right. Let's take our dance party to go. I'll just pack up my tent and we...
Bear! Ah! Run! Quick, behind here.
That was so weird. Why was that bear hiding behind my tent?
You don't think she's following us, do you?
What? No way. Nah. Not in a billion years, no.
Shh.
What? I'm just not convinced.
Well, she's clearly looking for something. And we're the only something around here.
Okay, then. I'm sensing you're not comfortable. So...
What are you drawing?
Speed lines. They'll help us look cool as we skedaddle. Let's go!
Everywhere we go, that bear is there. How are we ever going to get away?
Guess there's nothing for it but to...
Doodle girl?
Yep, it's me. I camouflaged myself. I'm a bush.
It's brilliant. Can you do me too? And then we can sneak away unseen.
Sure. We need lots and lots and lots of leaves.
How do I look?
Great. But maybe we need a few accessories. A woodpecker, some wind chimes, apple. Perfect.
Thanks, Doodle girl. Oh, I think pencil needs collaging too.
Now we're ready to... Uh-oh. Gotta go.
Now what?
I know. Let's call a taxi. Jump in and let's make a quick getaway from that bear.
Why are you following us?
We weren't following you. We were trying to get away from you.
I was trying to get away from you.
Oh,
What? No way.
way!
I've been trying to find a quiet spot to go to the bathroom, but every time I find one, you show up.
Ah, why didn't you say? I can help with that. Doodle-oodle-doo, a loo for you.
Amazing. Maybe, change the music?
Ha! I knew you were more of a classical gal.
Thank you. Now, go on.
Oh, yeah. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Come on, dance party.
All right. Dance party. We're dancing in the woods. Dance.